Bones, say hi. That's my son-in-law Bones, my daughter Crystal, and my lovely wife. And I'm naked. And we're looking at the heartbeat of a Dodge. That is a cylinder pulled in by a device called an oscilloscope. Same thing we use at work for looking at hearts. And we can change this. You saw how pretty that was? Now look at this one. See how erratic that is? It has a lot of artifact. That's because that plug's old and those wires are old. And you can check another one even. Oh, that's even worse. Let's go back to the other one. See how pretty that is? Now let's check the very back one. See if I can get lit up. And that one's very pretty. See how pretty that is? Got a miss in it every once in a while. Let's see what happens when we put it on the distributor coil wire that feeds all of them. Whoa, that's cool, man. That's 8 spark plugs firing off. That's pretty cool. Anyway, so I put that on my Dodge Dart over there. Aww. It looks worse than all these put together, so there's something electronically going on. If you'll notice, I have her guts ripped out. No, I don't have the guts out. So I think we have a new coil ordered, and if it's not that, it's going to be from when I read the electronic control unit. If it's bad, it usually goes like kaput. And then this electronic ignition I bought to get rid of the original points. Oh my god, 25 years ago. So I guess that could be bad. So that'd be my next item. I set the air gap. It's like points, but there's no points, but there's a little air gap in between the reluctor where it picks up and senses each of those 8 little magnetic things to spark it off. I don't know how to explain it all. Anyway, that's where I'm at with that. But anyway, isn't that a cool thing, man? That oscilloscope that can pull up the spark plug. You can see the spark in real life. It's so cool. Love you guys. Peace out. Bye.